In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades. On the Chevy Silverado, you'll have two of these located along the bottom of your windshield. The process is the same for either. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing I want to mention is as you lift up on the wiper arm, it is under spring pressure, trying to force it back down towards that windshield. So when you do remove the wiper blade, be careful not to let the arm smash down against the glass. To remove the wiper blade, take hold of the wiper arm, gently lift it away from the windshield, and then we're going to reach under this area where my index finger is. There's a small locking tab. Squeeze that towards the wiper arm, and then you should be able to pull the blade out of place. There it is, friend. The next thing you need to do is clean and inspect the wiper arm. Make sure it's not rotted and damaged. A little bit of rust is one thing, but if it feels as though it's weak, you need to go ahead and replace the entire arm. Also, before you replace the wiper blade, go ahead and clean down the windshield. Now we can prepare for installation of our wiper blade. Along the top is where the adapter is. We're going to have to make sure that we slide the hook over this area and then lock it in. Lift up on that arm. We're going to come just like this and slide that right into the hook. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. If it slides off, it's not locked in and it might come off while you're driving down the road. Carefully lower this down against the windshield. At this point, we've completed this side wiper blade. The process is the exact same thing for the other one. After that, go ahead and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.